So I've been told there's a leak in one of these joints on this end elbow. So we're gonna have to desolder this. Safety goggles, make sure the area is clean of anything that is combustible. Put some heat shielding, which we're gonna show you. Heat shield cloth here. That's gonna protect this part. So we just wanna desolder this elbow right now. Now that we've removed this elbow, we're gonna have to desolder the pipe out of this T. Okay, now that it's out, we can really see the crack there. And for more repair tips, check out our website at smartirrigation.com, and remember to like and subscribe.